Vlogger? Vlogger.
Sir, shoutout dyan sa nasa likod mo.
Kaway-kaway sa camera.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Mga big tail dyan, mga big push ng tail. Guys, turnover kasi ng ano ngayon. Line 1.
Kasi nandito si Jimmy.
Marami na yung tao. Marami na. The turnover sa akin.
Pala.
Pala pala daw, pala.
Palang ganito.
At yun yung maganda. Palang ginto. Tapos
Meron ka ba na?
Wala ako doon.
Victory Cigar.
Anong pangalan?
Victory Cigar.
Victory Cigar.
Good afternoon, good evening. So we're a few months away from that. I know there's a lot of speculation about when will that be. If you listen to social media, they'll tell you it's October, it's November, it's I don't know what month. But RCRC made a commitment that they would open in 2024. We think that that's sometime in November possibly, but I don't know. Nobody in this state